Let's learn a fun dance to the song Butter. First move, we're gonna wave our arms side to side. We go wave and wave. Try it. Wave and wave. One more time. Go wave and wave. Next move, we're gonna raise the roof. 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 Try it one more time. Great. Put those two moves together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We go wave and raise the roof and raise the roof. From here, we're gonna step, push to the side, and step, push to the other side. Try it. Push and push. One more time. Go push. Yeah, and push. From here, 3 walks, nice and easy. 1 and 2 and 3s, and give me your best butter pose. Nice! Let's put all those moves together, nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go wave and wave. Raise the roof, raise the roof, raise the roof. Push side and side, 3 walks. A 1, a 2, a 3, and pose. Are you up for the speed challenge? Let's speed it up. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go wave and we raise the roof. We go push and 1, 2, 3, pose. Shall we try it again? You got this. Here we go. Speed it up. 5, 6, 7, we go wave and wave. Raise the roof. Go push. And 1, 2, 3, pose. One more time. You got this. Let's go. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Speed it up. Roll and roll. Raise the roof. Push it out. Go push and push. Go. 1, 2, 3. Pose. Amazing job. Remember, you can repeat that as many times as you'd like. If you're ready to perform, go ahead and click our next link to try it with music. You got this. Woohoo!